the October edition of Mount Carmel Convent High School, Chandrapur Radiant News Bulletin.
I am Madhura Zamdare, your student anchor for today's news bulletin, and I am thrilled to be joined by my dazzling co-anchor Rafia Khan.
As autumn arrives, we are excited to share the brightest happenings and sparkling achievements from our campus with cleanliness as our guiding light.
October sparkled with vibrant celebrations, crisp air, and a wheel of starry events. Beyond the changing seasons, our campus was glim as every corner was filled with extra care and elegance, marking annual outdoor picnic and Tarangutsav cultural festivities.
October was dedicated to keeping our environment sparkling clean, promoting hygiene and celebrating the joyful spirit of neat and beautiful school. Let's start with our commitment to cleanliness.
On 4th of October, our youngest stars celebrated Helpers Day. They transformed themselves to community heroes, brilliant teachers, compassionate doctors, and brave soldiers. By this act, they respected everyone who helped us in our day-to-day life.
Shining bright on sports horizon, our talented school athletes made the entire school beam with pride as they showcased their strength and spirit at glittering district-level athletic competition held on 3rd of October.
Our dynamic under 14 champions achieved not one but 2 brilliant gold medals. They tuned their dedication, passion, tireless practice to unwavering, dazzling victory. Heartfelt congratulations to our golden achievers who made our Mount Carmel shine brighter.
That's not all. The under-19 girls team won the first prize at district level Lagori competition and have been selected to represent district in divisional level. Best of luck to all the players.
From October 3rd and 4th, the vibrant students from classes 4th, 5th, 9th and 10th embarked an exhilarating journey to Lighthouse Nagpur with hearts full of joy. They played new games, explored the wonders of the nature, and shared delicious snacks with their friends. The atmosphere was buzzing with laughter and joy. Their hearts were full of memories that will sparkle forever.
The picnic excitement sparkled on October 7th as it was time for adventurous students of class 6, 7th and 8th to bask in a day filled with exuberance and joy. With the golden sun casting its radiant glow and laughter bubbling all around, every moment shimmered with happiness, friendship and unforgettable fun under the bright open sky.
On 10th of October, our school resonated with the sweet melodies of music as tiny stars of LKG and UKG took center stage for enchanting solo song competition. Their voice and melodies twinkled soared the hearts of all the audience and leave them spellbound.
Little singers performed their favorite tunes and impressed judges with their confident presence and sweet voice. The dedication, talent, and confident presence reflect the promise of bright future in the world of singing.
On October 11, our school proudly hosted a transformative building seminar titled Life Skill Advanced Resource, spearheaded by CEO Puneet. This powerful initiative was crafted to empower our dedicated teachers, equipping them and fostering their capabilities. 2. Renew their passion of leading with more inspiring and confidence.
Next up, our school burst into the radiant celebration of creativity and brilliance with the mesmerizing Tarang Utsav, the festival of art and talent, held on 14th and 15th of October. The vibrant showcase sparkled with dazzling performance, inspiring artistry and boundless enthusiasm, lighting up every heart and igniting the flame of spirit and passion throughout the school.
Students dazzled with breathtaking performances in music, dance, and array of competitions, igniting the atmosphere with their vibrant electric energy and showing their individual spark of creativity, lighting the stage and captivating everyone who were present there.
The halls of our school vibrate with energy as we successfully conclude Tarang Utsav. This wave of celebration saw students showcasing their talent and across diverse and exciting range of competition.
As the festival of light arrives, our school was closed for Diwali vacations.
Students from Mount Carmel Convent High School, Chandrapur participated in Chanda Live in 2025, where they were inspired by motivational sessions and showcased their talents, winning certificates and awards. The experience left a lasting impact with unforgettable memories. That wraps up our October News Bulletin. We hope you enjoyed every thrilling moment and radiant story from this month filled with sparkling achievements and spectacular events. Until we meet again next time, keep shining bright, stay inspired, and continue filling your days with energy, enthusiasm, and endless possibilities. See you soon, shining stars!